we're back, Switch. And it's been a minute. Check my shit. Yeah. Alright. Now, let's continue the increased charm power. Yeah. There's other shit. Oh, there's the big dude. Yeah, one of the G's. What's this? But I'll need other allies if we're going to attack or to come stronghold. Yeah, let's do it.
You're welcome at our campfire, my lord.
I can't remember who you are. You're gonna have to explain yourself.
You know my name?
I'm Jin Sakai. Yuna sent me.
She's alive? Where is she?
The Mongols blocked the pass to Omi. I have to open the way and I can't do it alone. Yuna told me you can help.
Sounds dangerous.
I thought you were an expert hunter. Leader of the best archers in the prefecture.
Is that what Yuna told you?
She thinks you care enough to fight. Is she wrong?
About me? No. But my people need a reason to risk their lives.
It's going to be a cold winter. Why spend it on a mountainside hunting squirrel when you can live in a warm fort?
If we can stay till spring, we're in.
You have a deal.
This won't be like hunting wild boar. Come over here and you'll see.
Let me know, Takashi. What's the plan?
Mongol archers guard the gate. Patrols ride in and out all day.
If we can get in from this side, Yuna and the rest of my friends will hit them from the south.
Yuna will be there? All right.
The fort was built around the cliffs. We can use them to get inside.
Woodcutter camp. Supplied lumber to the fort. Haven't seen anyone there since the Mongols showed up. How good are you at climbing?
Better than average.
Let's get it. I'll take the linen though. Oh, Kage. Every time I end that up, do you know? It wasn't right. It wasn't right. He deserved better. This bird's obviously going to take me to... Just want to run down here and just travel around these areas, you know? Oh, I'm duffing it because I'm going downhill. Bamboo. We're on our way. Ooh. Oof. Oh, I need those. To make people cray cray. True. I like how this is like, yeah, I'm better than average when it comes to climbing. Like, you're pretty good, Jin. Whew. Giving me anxiety. I want those. Oh, you muppet. Wow, I clearly suck at this. Round 3. That's it. That's the end of the saga, dead. Are we at the top? Surely we got to be at the top. Yeah, we at the top. Ooh, I need more than flowers. That poison becomes so useful, man. You could like just let somebody like poison up one dude and let him just beat the shit out of everybody else. I'm finally on a bit of leave now, so I'm hoping to get through this game and then get through Assassin's Creed. Because in May we pre-ordered. Well, every time we get to this, I say it, but there is an evil charm of Kazuchi no Kami. What's the story, too? Yeah. Dude, I don't even have charms attached to this thing. Perks and abilities that terrify 25% more likely to occur. That's useful. Ooh. I like that. Iron Will now revives you at 50% of your maximum health. That could be useful as well. I like that one. Choose that one for now. Okay, let's go with that for now. Do I have techniques? No, I don't think I have techniques. Alright, let's go down the mountain. We're done here. I like that little feature. It would suck to go all the way to the bottom. Alright, let's continue. Where are you trying to take me? Shogun Storm. So check what that one's like. Yeah. Why do I feel like I'm doing something completely erroneous? Oh man. Ah, there we go. Oof. These are horrible. It's like straight up ugly. Shake the fog and I'll get the fox on the way back. Give me my supplies, bitches. You guys can deal with that dude. Sorry, lady.
You're going to be all right.
There's no way I can repay you for this, Lord Sakai.
You don't have to. Just
Put on some longer pants. Damn, your legs must be cold as
I
hell.
was traveling the roads, looking for help. But I can't see well at night. Didn't see the Mongols camped along the path until it was too late.
If they're
In the middle of snow where they probably would have had a fire going.
Go. You're free.
That just makes no sense. It's a random camp with nobody. He does. Camino Dake. This will most definitely be the road to the fort.
Time to head for the woodcutter camp.
You dudes don't play, you park off right outside.
Lord Sakai, up here. We made the climb, but it took hours. If we sit up here much longer, the Mongols are sure to see us.
Back away from the edge. I'll be right up.
Sure you will. What's he doing? Did you see that? Shut up. Yuna's got some interesting friends.
Let's plan our attack.
You can see inside from over here.
Contact that. Okay, none of this.
Archers on that ridge will have a good view of the courtyard.
And plenty of targets.
The bulk of our force should go there. We'll get on that roof. Control the high ground.
You sound like Yuna.
She was a good teacher.
You men with me. Everyone else get to the ridge.
It's time for danger.
Excuse me. Take them down.
Understood. Good luck.
I got a bear trap, that's always a good thing. Ooh. Oh, the horse died. Whoa! Whoa! Dude with a sword. Whoa! You did. Oh. Supplies. Supplies. Nothing. Just a small bag. Later. Oh, there's not many of these dudes left. My archers are giving them a hard time. I don't want to waste any of this, man. Okay, now what? What's the plan, G?
What sort of animals would do this?
The Mongol kind.
Yo, they hung that one dude on the side.
Let's kill every bastard in this fort.
Another patrol. We'll ambush them when they come through. Hide.
You heard him. Move.
I'm ready, bro.
Open fire on my signal.
Hey, I'll do what I want. Don't forget who runs the show.
Let them get closer. Now, kill them all!
Hey, I didn't mean to do that to the horses.
Come on, everyone. Let's get to the bridge. I heard Lord Shimura has an
Well
offer.
done, you muppo.
Samurai from the Shogun. Why aren't you leading them?
He sent me ahead to clear a path.
He couldn't spare one samurai to come with you?
I told him you'd help me.
Bet he'd love that.
Should have said I broke ties with them. Hey, somebody's crawling around out here. It's a bit brutal, but... We leave no survivors. What's in here? I need supplies, man. I need to upgrade my damn sword. Let's check shit in here. Spent like 80% of this game running around looking for supplies. Hop in the house, boom. There's a fridge.
That came from the southern gate.
Better see what's happening. Over here.
Yeah, I'll have a look now. Let me just finish raiding, robbing these people blind. And I'll come over. No, 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 no. See? I'm like,
Yuna! We have to get over there. Let's get a look at the bridge.
well, just carry on without me. Oops. Oh, now we must go up here.
The Mongols sent most of their forces over there. This is our chance.
If we charge across the bridge, we'll have to deal with that Hwacha quickly.
Could you sneak under the bridge with that hook of yours? Take the Hwacha by surprise?
Maybe.
I could grapple onto the tree and swing across. There's a way up the cliff on the other side.
If they spot you, we can hit them with arrows. Charge across or sneak over. Either way, it'll be risky. We'll follow your lead, Lord Sakai.
Get your people ready to move.
Ah, I found my way. You cannot teach me anything, Obi-Wan. I have surpassed you, Master. Okay, big tree gotta fall hard.
Good.
It's even at the odds. Woo! Here we go, boys. Whoa!
Reinforcements on the way!
Got to help my friends at the gate.
Get it, boys.
There they are. They brought some friends from Yarikawa.
I figured it out. You're the ghost, but you're supposed to be 10 feet tall!
Keep fighting!
Boys, we don't have time. Cut your losses. Let's get it on.
You finally got here! Don't get too close! They'll see you!
Stay safe, Kenji.
I'm trying! Get away!
You should have waited for us to open the gate.
It was Masako's idea!
Oh, the gold! The gold! Lord Sakai, you're just in time.
Keep swinging, Norio.
I need that dude to solve. That's everybody, people.
That was close.
Close. We wiped him out.
Ours, my lord.
Talking about that was close. She's in us.
Is everyone alright?
That was like a cricket score.
All things considered.
Good to see you, Lord Sakai.
Yeah.
Is it this cold everywhere up here?
You'll
Sorry
get
about
used
the
to
burp.
it. Take any supplies we need and prepare to ride for Jogaku.
Joga. Whoo.
So, you and Takeshi,
That was my old life.
he and his people are more than hunters, aren't they?
The thieves, bro.
Depends on how you look at it.
I told them they can stay and hold the pass for us. But I don't want bandits making trouble for innocent people fleeing the Mongols.
He knows what I'd do to him if they tried.
I think he's been looking forward to seeing you.
He's seen me. We can go now.
Let's get everyone to Jogaku. We'll plan our final attack from there.
It's time for the Khan to die.
Yeah, I agree. Kill that mumbo. Some bitch. Technique points, bruh. What we got left? Hey, Masaka's last one. Itachi half mask. Minus stealth charm. Damn. Oh, that's why it's close to the low island. I don't want to go there. This has all been done. Ideally. Okay. Well, I tell you what, people, I gotta go. This wasn't supposed to be a long session anyway. I got something to do. And, yeah. I mean, it is what it is. If anybody wants to watch again, I'll be streaming pretty much the whole day. Tomorrow, the next 3 weeks, I'm off work, so I'm going to be streaming hard. Catch up on this game. Get through some of Assassin's Creed as well. And, just have some fun, man. It sounds like a real good plan. Yeah. If you're out there, look after yourself, and thanks for watching. Peace!